I want to show you a example of a very cheap but very clever dollar per day campaign. In this instance, it's €1 per day. So I will show you here at Per Traffic what we're doing to really enhance and build a client's Facebook page over time. So the client is a English tutor. She's based in Turin. We are running a very small budgeting campaign. To be honest, the client is my partner in this instance. And if I jump into her actual, and I'm doing this for several people, to be honest with you. So if I jump into her engagement, you'll see that it's had 57 engagements. It's costing about 20 cents per actual engagement, and there's been €10 that's been spent so far. So it's a super cheap campaign. The interesting part with this and how it relates to your business, even if you've got budgets that are like $5,000 per month, we still currently can run multiple dollar per day campaigns. So as we can see, if we jump into it, you'll notice, and I've just changed this, there's Turin in copy and there's Turin. So client's based in Turin. She's an English tutor teaching local people in Italy English. And we will split test campaigns, as you can see. And within these campaigns, there's obviously the results that we'll get. This is costing 12 cents per engagement. This is costing 21 cents. So I've turned this one off now and I've turned this on. And what it happens is that if we go over to the page, this is the actual image. As you can see, it's got 24 people that have engaged with it. And what you can do with each of them, as you can see, and this is the clever part, someone likes your actual Facebook page, or rather post, you can then select to invite these people. As you can see, I've just invited these two. What you'll also do within this is we can also do other clever things, whereby we can write in some small comments to salt the jar, if you will. So this is an example of the kind of level of expertise with split testing, looking at different levels of engagement, understanding what are the appropriate ad sets and adverts and split tests to run with the different images to ensure that you are getting the best value for your money with Per Traffic.